For more than 10 years now, Hänel has been developing effective energy-saving technologies for automated storage systems and intralogistics. In 2008, Hänel developed and launched its EcoConcept with various features to reduce energy consumption in Hänel storage systems. These systems have been further enhanced over the past 10 years and are in operation at customer sites around the world. The effective energy consumption of automated material and file handling systems has a major impact on operating costs, amortization, and not least on environmental protection. For this reason, Hänel has always placed great emphasis on continually optimizing the energy efficiency of its storage systems. The Hänel EcoConcept offers the following features. Hänel EcoDrive. The built-in frequency converter transforms the kinetic energy of the descending extractor into electrical energy and feeds it back into the electrical supply system. This recovers up to 40% of the energy required by the storage system, depending on the rate of extractor travel. Hänel EcoLoad. Continuous monitoring of the load situation in the rotomat and adherence to the storage recommendations ensures that even and balanced load distribution is achieved. As a result, only minimal energy is needed to set the storage system in motion. Hänel EcoMode. With this standby technology, all systems that consume energy when idle are shut down by the control system in 4 energy-saving eco-mode levels. This reduces the energy intake of the Hänel storage systems to a minimum when they are not being used. Our specialists will continue to work on the Hänel EcoConcept and develop further energy-efficient solutions for Hänel storage systems for the sake of the environment.